Okay, today I'm at my parents' doing some repairs, and they have a cold water handle that's hard to turn. So what I did is, this is a Delta faucet. I couldn't find any ID or serial number, so I had to look it up by just doing a search online. Anyway, I found out it was Delta. Called them, told them that the faucet's only 2 years old and what the problem was, and they said they'll send a part out. No charge. So it took about a week, but I got the parts. It's a cartridge that goes inside, spring, and another washer. So I'm going to take this apart. First of all, you shut the water off, obviously. Cold. I just shut the cold off and the hot, just to make sure. Anyways, the way to get these off is there's no screw or anything. You just got to start turning the bottom part of the handle here, and it will come off. Quite a few turns, and there you go. Comes right off, and there's the cartridge I need to replace. I got some tools here that I might need. So first of all, this has to come off. Take that off. Put that aside, and this should come out. It comes right out. And I believe that rubber part is still in there. I gotta get my needle nose. Get that out. Yeah, let me put the camera down. So with the aid of a screwdriver, that rubber piece came out. And I just get my needle nose and take the spring out. And make sure I know how it goes back in. So it's tapered. So you have to put it in the same way. Okay, let's put that new spring in there. There, that was easy. Let's get that new rubber piece and put that in. Oops. Yeah, that's another thing. Make sure you close your drain, which I forgot to do. So you don't, if you do drop anything, it won't go down. Okay, I'll just float that in there and press it down. Okay, and I remembered how it went out. It came out. It was facing this direction. And there's actually a tab there, so you can't get it wrong. You can only put it in one way. See, there's a tab there on the side. And then the new ring goes back on. Go. And now the handle goes back on. All right. I think it's still hard to turn. But at least it still works. A little better, but not much. This one's just really loose. Anyway, that's how you do it, if you need to do it.